Welcome to Celebrity Investing, your go-to source for insights, tips, and updates on navigating the exciting landscape of personal and global finance. Please like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive content. The best quantum computing stocks to buy in 2025 expert picks. Quantum computing isn't just science fiction, it's reshaping industries and creating real investment opportunities. As this technology advances, early investors in quantum computing stocks could see major growth. This video breaks down the top quantum computing stocks to watch in 2025, explaining why they stand out and what makes them worth considering. Whether you're new to tech investing or looking to diversify, we'll cover key players and growth potential without the hype. Let's get into the details. Understanding quantum computing and its market potential. Quantum computing isn't just faster computing. It's a fundamentally different way of processing information. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, which can be 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits. These can exist in multiple states at once, allowing them to solve complex problems in minutes that would take today's supercomputers years. This breakthrough could transform fields like drug discovery, cryptography, and financial modeling. The industry is still young, but rapid advancements mean serious investment potential. Governments and corporations pour billions into research, betting on quantum as the next big tech leap. Early investors who spot the winners stand to benefit as this technology matures. Key players in the quantum computing industry. A mix of tech giants and innovative startups leads the quantum race. Here's who's shaping the field. IBM. A pioneer in quantum, IBM offers cloud-based quantum computing through IBM Quantum Experience and has built over 50 quantum processors. Their quantum system, too, aims to scale up practical applications by 2025. Google's Sycamore processor achieved quantum supremacy in 2019, solving a task faster than any classical computer. Their quantum AI lab collaborates with NASA and universities to push boundaries. Rigetti Computing. A startup with a focus on hybrid quantum classical systems, Rigetti combines quantum hardware with traditional cloud computing for near-term commercial uses. Honeywell, now Quantinuum. Merged with Cambridge Quantum, their trapped ion technology is known for high accuracy, attracting partnerships with JP Morgan and BMW. Big names like Microsoft and Intel also invest heavily, while academic labs and government grants fuel smaller innovators. Watch for alliances, like IBM's work with Samsung or Google's team-ups with pharma companies. These hint at which sectors will adopt quantum first. Market growth and future projections. The quantum computing market could exceed $20 billion by 2030, up from under $10 billion in 2025. Here's why. Government funding. The US and China each commit billions annually, e.g. the U.S. National Quantum Initiative Act, accelerating R&D, corporate investment. Big tech spends over $3 billion per year on quantum, with banks and automakers joining to secure competitive advantages. Tech milestones. Better error correction and stable qubits mean we're closer to quantum advantage, where real-world problems get solved profitably. Financial firms already test quantum for portfolio optimization, while logistics companies use it to streamline supply chains. As hardware improves, expect explosive growth in software and services, the next big revenue stream. The takeaway? Quantum's niche today, but as adoption spreads, early investors could see outsized returns. The key is identifying companies with solid tech, strong partnerships, and clear paths to commercialization. Why invest in quantum computing stocks? Quantum computing stocks offer a rare combo of explosive growth potential and industry-altering disruption. But like any emerging tech, they come with risks. Let's break down why investors are watching this space and what could go wrong. Growth potential and disruption. Imagine solving problems in minutes that take today's supercomputers centuries. That's the promise of quantum computing, and it's why industries are racing to adopt it. Healthcare. Drug discovery could accelerate from years to months. Quantum simulations might model complex molecules, leading to breakthroughs in treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's or cancer. Companies like Roche and Pfizer already partner with quantum firms. Finance. Banks like J.P. Morgan and Goldman Sachs test quantum algorithms for fraud detection and portfolio optimization. Even slight improvements could save billions. Logistics. Walmart and UPS explore quantum solutions to optimize delivery routes. A 2% efficiency gain in global supply chains could cut costs by $100 billion annually. Governments and tech giants pour billions into research, betting quantum will redefine competitiveness. The first companies to commercialize it could see stock surges akin to early AI adopters like NVIDIA. But this isn't just about big players. Smaller firms with niche breakthroughs could become acquisition targets. Risks and challenges. Quantum computing is still a high-stakes gamble. Here's what could derail progress. Technical hurdles. Qubits are fragile. Maintaining stability, called coherence time, remains a challenge. Most systems require near absolute zero temperatures, making scaling expensive. Competition. IBM and Google lead now, but China's heavy funding could shift the balance. Startups with novel approaches might outpace giants or burn out trying. Regulation. Governments may restrict quantum exports due to national security concerns. Breakthroughs in cryptography, for example, could face tight controls. Investors should expect volatility. Stock prices may swing on lab milestones or delays. While the long-term payoff could be huge, this isn't a set-it-and-forget-it investment. Diversify across hardware, software, and firms with deep partnerships to mitigate risk. The bottom line? Quantum computing isn't for the faint of heart, but early stakes in the right companies could pay off massively. Just don't bet the farm. Top quantum computing stocks to watch. Quantum computing stocks aren't just about hype. They represent real companies pushing boundaries in a technology that could redefine entire industries. Whether you're looking for stable giants with deep R&D budgets or high-risk, high-reward startups, here's a breakdown of the stocks worth your attention. Established tech giants. These companies have the resources to lead long-term quantum innovation while offering relative stability compared to smaller players. IBM. IBM's quantum division is one of the most advanced, with over 50 quantum processors and a cloud platform, IBM Quantum Experience, for researchers. Their Quantum System 2, launching soon, aims to scale practical applications. Stock performance has been steady, with quantum efforts backed by partnerships in finance and materials science. Alphabet. Google's quantum AI team made headlines with quantum supremacy in 2019. They continue to refine their Sycamore processor and collaborate with NASA and biotech firms. Alphabet's stock growth makes it a safer bet, though quantum remains a small part of their overall business. Microsoft. Microsoft's quantum strategy focuses on software and cloud integration. Their Azure Quantum platform lets businesses experiment with quantum solutions without owning hardware. With deep pockets and enterprise reach, Microsoft is a quieter but serious contender. Intel. Intel explores silicon-based qubits, aiming to leverage its chip-making expertise. Progress has been slower than peers, but their approach could win long-term if scalable. The stock trades at a discount, making it a speculative play with upside. That wraps up Part 1. I hope these stock picks help you get a head start on investing in the quantum computing sector. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll go deeper into why these companies are leading the charge and the risks involved. Stay tuned and continue to watch our videos to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Subscribe, like, and share to continue your journey to financial success.